Well, hello. We have a midnight feeding of the daily glop today. We have just egg yolk, some olive oil, and some heavy cream. And we're mixing this all up. And we're going to be putting this with the puppies are there. They're hungry. Mom is not having enough milk because the puppies are getting to be about 2.5 pounds each. Mom is a total of 13 pounds herself, and 5 puppies times 3 outweighs Mom. So we're supplementing. And where is my... So I'm looking for my spatula. So yeah, it's dark. But then it's after midnight. So you can make this up during the day. I just didn't do it. Da, da, da. I talked to the Best Buy people in my GoPro, and it seems that GoPro is great for wide angles, but not necessarily for close-ups. So I said, well, do you have something where I can put the GoPro on put my camera on my head? So I have my free hand, and they're like, well, we have this one thing here that we can connect this one to that one and maybe hook that up. And like, I looked at him and he looked at me, and the price of the object he was trying to sell me was like $99, and it had a selfie stick and a tripod and like 3 other pieces that, and the piece that squeezed the phone. And so there was like 1.5 pieces that I needed, and I think I know the Best Buy guy was Tim, and he was very nice. I really appreciate all the time he spent with me. But he was like, yeah, $99 is a little much. Let's see what else we got. And he looked, and it's not that Best Buy doesn't have some really great stuff. It's just that they don't have a lot of different stuff that's unique. I mean, how many people want to put a phone on their head, you know? So this is oatmeal. The oatmeal called for 1 cup oats. It's just old-fashioned oats. Yeah, they're hungry. And I don't even know where I got it. I bet you that symbol tells you where I got it. But microwavable oats. See? Just oats. No vitamin D, no calcium, some iron, but it's got fiber. And it says 1 cup to 1 cup, right? Oh, 1 cup to 1/2 cup. I did 1 cup of oats. So yeah, I put about 3 cups of water in because I wanted it cooked really, really well. I wanted it to be as gloppy as I could and not absorbing any more water. I mean, I wanted no more water. Actually, we'll still put a little more water in there because I don't want to dehydrate the puppies. Put more in there. Put a little bit in there. Put more in there. And you can see I'm not doing this according to whatever rules. And there's some oil. It's just olive oil. I like olive oil. I mix that all up. Yes, that's a puppy. I know which one, but I'm not going to tell you. She does not like people pushing her around. Look, I'm not feeding this to humans. I'm feeding it to dogs, so I can mix with a little bit of egg and olive oil in there. It's not going to hurt anybody. Oh, when I cooked the egg yolk, and it's just egg yolk, I added some cream because it's a little bit of sweet in there. I mean, it's not really natural sugar. I mean, cream has like its own sugar flavor because, I mean, How many of you just like to taste the cream? And you don't add sugar or anything to it? I do. I like taking the cream off of the top of whole milk. So I want gloppy, but I don't want like something that's going to dehydrate them. It's going to stick in their stomachs, stick in their throats, whatever. I just want something nice. Now this egg should be enough protein. I'm looking over here too. I just want to make sure this stays very loose. I do not want it to turn into a rubber ball, basically. Now, what I was doing earlier, I do like Temptations. I use a lot of it. This is my coffee grinder by Mr. Coffee. Yay! But I don't use it for coffee. You can tell by the white powder. Like I told you, I have ducks. So I get the eggs and I save the duck shells. And I grind them up. So here's some powder. This is actually calcium carbonate. So put just a little bit more in. A little more. Mix that up. Right there. Put the lid on with the other hand. They're getting very hungry. They're giving up. Mix this up. Now you want it really fine, because puppies' stomachs are very sensitive. And I'm going to add some more milk to this. Or, actually, not cream. What? Using all kinds of stuff. Oh, I'm going to add some ebsilac. And the ebsilac, I'm going to add some more water. And where's my scoopy scoops? Scoopy scoop. Scoopy scoop. That's not my scoopy scoop. Where's my scoopy scoop? Well, that's not good. Yeah, you hear me jangling because I have a collection of metal. Scoops and cups and thises and spoons and all kinds of stuff that I'll go over when we have more light. Because right now, Puff is outside trying to jump, or not Puff, Choo is outside trying to jump the fence. Who took my Scoopy Scoop? I know I have one in there, but I didn't want to have to dig for it. I felt it earlier, I think. There it is. I saved the other Scoopy Scoop, but it disappeared. So we're taking a scoop, backing it against the side, dumping it in. And the one thing about the Scoopy Scoop is ebsilac says if you use a scoop of powder, you need 2 of water. So one. Let's go get some more water. Hold on. So we're back again. We got some more water. We banged on the window for for Choo to come in, and here she comes. So that's water. And again, I don't want this. I put one more scoop of water in because I don't want this to get caught in their throats. I don't want them to get constipated. I don't want to have problems. So adding a little bit more water won't hurt them because they are over 4 weeks old, and they should be drinking more water. It's winter time, the air is dry, and the air is dry for everybody. I don't know if you've heard me coughing, but I've been coughing. So we're just mixing this up. I'll put this in a container, put that in the oatmeal. I'll put that in a container and put it in the refrigerator. Because it's oatmeal, there's nothing really to go bad with it overnight. And especially in the refrigerator, it'll be fine. So yeah, I switched out dishes to something a little bigger and more and shallow. It's about the same size as the other little dish. So this is all pretty much mixed. Just want to make sure. Okay. Now, if anybody's watching this and they're like, oh, she didn't put this in, she didn't put that in. You're right, I didn't put a lot of stuff in. But if you guys could tell me why they ask for egg yolk and mayonnaise, and then goat's milk or whole milk and yogurt. I know I understand the yogurt. That's the probiotics. I can get the probiotics. I have some of that. But I don't understand why egg yolk and mayonnaise. I mean, you can put oil in. That's mayonnaise. But do they want the vinegar? They want the acidic that makes the mayonnaise? I don't understand that part. So I tried looking it up. They all just said yogurt, egg yolk, or egg yolk mayonnaise, or whatever. It didn't make sense, the pieces and parts they were putting into it. Now let's see how much they ignore it, because they probably will. Oh, it's going to get dark. Well, I'll turn the light on, and I'll come back. Bye. Well, pause. Okay, we're back again. I really do need to learn how to edit these videos, but getting there. So we're going to put this down. There you go. This is actually a little heating pad. That's why you keep seeing me put it on. Hi, baby. Yeah. Why don't you try this? Let me see. Let me test it. I didn't test it. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Ooh, it's all gloppy. It's gloppy. You like it? Hi, Mom. Oh, it's Mom approved. That'll be good. Well, try some. Try some. It's right here. Try some. Look, no, it's behind your butt. Try some of that. You're not gonna try any? Oh, come on. You're not gonna try any? Just a little bit? How about you? Oh, you just want to bite my fingers, huh? Maybe more oatmeal? Nah, I think that's plenty of oatmeal. You want to try some? Mom's taking it off my finger before I can get to the puppy. No, I want the puppy. I want to give some to the puppy. I want to give some to the puppy. I want to give some to the puppy. I'm putting some of the puppy's mouth. Oh. They don't hate it. Let me put it this way. One of them doesn't hate it. The other ones are like, I'm not sure. Oh! Oh, there goes a foot. There goes another foot. They look like honeybees circling it, circling it, circling it. Come on, Bubba. Try the mix. I made a mix. Try it. Try the mix. Try the mix. Oh, my knee's acting up. Try the mix. It's right there. Try the mix. My head fell into it. Yay. You gonna try the mix? Boom. Boom. Yeah, let's see if this works. I don't think so. I think he's gone. I think he's a little asleep. I think he's gone. He's gone. He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Puff, I don't want you in here. I don't want you to give too much milk, baby. You just don't have it. So that's actually on a heating pad. You can see that it's raised up a little bit. So I'm going to put Puff over here for temporary. Well, that's the daily. Oh, he's waking up. He's like, there's something in my mouth. I'm not sure if I like it. I don't know. But I see an eyeball. Oh, he's back to sleep. Shh. Why eat my foot? There's better stuff. No, Puff, not yours. Not yours, Puff. Leave it. Leave it. That's it. You gotta leave it. So this is the daily glop at 12 something on Sunday. And I have the other ones loaded. I just haven't published them yet, but I'm going to publish this one. And I hope you enjoy. Yeah. How you doing, baby girl? How you doing, baby girl? Yeah. This is Charlotte. Oh no, that's Carolina. This is Charlotte. Now you understand why I have the collars on. Carolina's going to be a really nice show dog. The other two are just crazy. These two are just crazy. You're just crazy. Yes, you're just crazy. Yes, you are. You're just crazy. You're just crazy. But Puff looked like this when she was little. She had the mask and the half face. Yeah. And now her color. It's all gone except for her ear. But all the color is gone in her face. Yes, it is. Yeah. So we're going to lock these up. Keep the mom out tonight. Keep the Choo from stealing all the toys. Because Choo came up last night with some toys. And I didn't appreciate that. So I don't want her to take any more toys from these guys. Because they need them to teeth on. So look, that right there that you're seeing is a cat toy. There's catnip in it. A little bit of fake fur. Let me zoom back out again. So it's just something for them to chew on and something small enough that they can pick up and carry. So, first day Catan. Saying goodnight. Have a good night. I don't know where I got the socks. You can tell they really match. Good night.